Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Why is a low energy? Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Okay. We'll do one thing. I'll count 1 to 3, and can you wish together? Can you say good afternoon together? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, start.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon to everyone. I am really fine. How are y'all doing? You're all fine? Did you have your lunch?
Yes.
Tummy is full?
No.
Tummy is not full. You didn't get enough food today. That's why the low energy. I was thinking, what happened to class 2E? Usually, you all say good afternoon with lots of energy. This today only, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. And after a few minutes, you'll sleep off. I'll have to come with a bucket full of water to wake you all up. Is it? Okay. So, do you remember what we learned in the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
We started a new unit, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What was the name of the unit?
Output devices.
Output devices. You're still at output device. Introduction to? Yes, Abel is telling me something. What is it, Abel?
Introduction to desktop.
Introduction to desktop. That's right. Very good. Introduction to desktop. Who called me? Zara. What happened?
I have laptop with me.
Who with me?
I have laptop.
Laptop with you. Okay, fine.
Now classing in the laptop.
You're attending class in the laptop.
Good afternoon.
Okay, good. Good afternoon. I'm good, dear.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Any problem?
Yes.
Abel.
With the pencil, I also prepared color pencils.
I did not understand. Can you repeat?
In other classes, you also sometimes ask for color pencils, and I also prepared color pencils and pencil.
When did I ask for color pencils?
In other classes, you ask for color pencils.
Is it?
Yeah.
Which classes?
Sometimes you ask.
Is it me itself or somebody else?
You.
I don't remember. Did I ask you for color pencils?
No, ma'am. No, not in this class.
Then which class?
That was so many days back.
So many days back. Was it computer class itself?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, I don't remember. Okay, let it be. So you have kept the color pencils ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, very good. But I don't think today we'll need it. Anyways, keep it ready. God knows when we'll need it. Okay, well. So we'll start the next portion. So we learned about the desktop, isn't it? What was the desktop? What did I give you as a definition? The desktop is the main
screen
area
of the computer.
See, when you turn on a computer, that's right. The desktop is the main screen area that you see when you turn on a computer. Am I right, Anne Catherine? Am I right? Yes. Show me a thumbs up if I'm right. Yes. Meenakshi, was it right?
It's not Meenakshi, ma'am. It's Malavika.
Oh, sorry. The last class, there was a student named Meenakshi. I always confused with Meenakshi and Malavika. Sometimes I call her Malavika also. You look very similar. Okay, yes, Malavika. Tell me, did I say it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, so today we are going to learn about main parts of the desktop, and there are 3 main parts of the desktop. How many? How many? Three. There are three main parts of the desktop. It's not superb, it's three. Okay. There are how many main parts of the desktop are we going to study about? Three. Yes. Three main parts of the desktop. So shall we write it out first and then we'll study? Okay. So open your rough books. First up, open your rough books, everybody.
Ma'am, I took it.
I have taken it.
You're taking it.
Ah. So I'm going to share the screen. I've already written and kept, so you can easily copy down from this. So write the heading, three main parts of the desktop. Okay, write it as a heading, three main parts of the desktop.
Mom, I don't bring the rough book.
Where is your rough book?
That.
You didn't bring. Write it on the back side of the notes then.
Okay, ma'am. You need to take the rough book.
Yes. So I've written three main parts of the desktop, and the first one is icons. Second one I've written as taskbar. Third one is wallpaper. Okay, icons, taskbar, and wallpaper. Please write it down and then we'll discuss. I'll show you the desktop and I'll show you the icons, taskbar, and wallpaper. Okay.
I completed.
Okay, ICONS, that's icons. Second one is taskbar, TASKBAR, taskbar. Third one is wallpaper, WALLPAPER, wallpaper. Yes, Abel?
Which one is second?
Taskbar,
Okay, ma'am.
TASKBAR, taskbar.
Is the third one?
Third one is wallpaper, wallpaper. The spelling is WALLPAPER, but you pronounce it as wallpaper, not wallpaper. Okay, it's wallpaper.
What is the first one?
Sorry?
What is the first one?
First one is icons, ICONS, icons.
Icons. Ma'am, I completed.
Those who have completed, just try and read the 3 points silently. No need to unmute. You can mute your audios and read. Otherwise, it will disturb the others.
Ma'am, what is the second?
Second one, taskbar. TASKBAR, taskbar.
First one?
Icons. ICONS, icons.
Second one. Ma'am, I completed.
Completed, okay.
Second one.
Second one is taskbar.
Third one is third one.
Wallpaper.
Okay, ma'am. Paper. Ma'am, I have completed.
If you have completed writing, what should you do? Mute your audios and read. Okay.
Read.
Read,
Okay,
read.
ma'am.
Until the rest of the students complete, you can sit and read.
First one.
First one is icons, Shivanidya. ICONS, icons.
Second.
Second, taskbar. Third one is wallpaper.
My completed.
Rose, can you read the 3 points that you wrote? Which are the 3 main parts of the desktop?
Icons.
Icons, that's the first one. Then
Taskbar.
taskbar, okay.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper, all right. Then, Anne Catherine, have you completed writing? Yes, can you unmute and read? Which are the 3 main parts of the desktop?
Eyepiece.
Is it eyepiece? Icons, right? Task bar. Task bar. Task bar.
Taskbar.
Yes.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper. It's not va, it's wo. Wallpaper. Wallpaper. Very good. Wallpaper.
Ma'am, can I read Veda?
Yes, Veda, you can read.
Icon. Ma'am, next Ryan will read.
Okay. It's not icon, it's icons.
Icon. Ma'am,
Hmm?
next Abel will read.
Don't disturb in between, my children. I'll give you chances.
Icon.
Don't worry. Yes.
Icon.
Hmm.
Taskbar.
Hmm.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper. Okay, fine. Then, Daksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Read.
Icon.
Hmm.
Taskbar.
Yes.
Wallpaper.
Yes, icons, taskbar, wallpaper. Suresh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm.
Icon.
Taskbar,
Taskbar. Wallpaper.
wallpaper. Very good. Fia.
Icon. Taskbar. Wallpaper.
Wallpaper. Yes. Then Ashwajit.
Yes, ma'am.
Icons,
Icons.
taskbar,
Taskbar.
wallpaper. Yes.
Ma'am,
Krishnaraj. Krishnaraj.
The main parts of the desktop.
Very good.
First one.
Huh.
Icons.
Icons. It's not cons, it's icons, dear.
Icons.
Icons. Yes,
Second
right.
one. Taskbar.
Taskbar. Then
Third one. Wallpaper.
wallpaper. That's right. All right. Now, Arav. Arav has already attended the first class, so he is an expert in this. Yes. Tell me, Arav.
Icons. Taskbar. Wallpaper.
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 It's not va, it's wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Walls. Am I spelling wall? It's wall. Wall.
Wall.
Look at my lip. Look at my lip, my dear. Wall.
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 Yes. Wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Am I telling wallpaper? No, no. No. Wallpaper.
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 Wallpaper. Wallpaper.
Wallpaper. Yes. Good. Very good. You're trying. Very good. Practice that at home. Okay. Don't say wallpaper again. Then Daksha Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Icon. Taskbar.
Hmm.
Wallpaper.
Okay, very good. Then Vaiga.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read.
Icons, taskbar, wallpaper.
Okay, Vivek.
Icon.
Taskbar. Taskbar. I think you have a network issue. Icons, taskbar, and last one is wallpaper. Say
Wallpaper.
wallpaper. Okay, good, good, very good. Now, who is next?
Shivanidya.
Shivanidya, yes.
Icon.
Taskbar.
Taskbar.
Wallpaper. Wallpaper. Okay.
Wallpaper.
Okay, good. Smriti, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on.
Icon. Taskbar.
Taskbar.
Taskbar. Wallpaper.
Wallpaper. Yes. Ryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
taskbar, wallpaper.
Icons, taskbar, wallpaper. Aradhya, next one. Aradhya Pradeep, yes. Icons, taskbar, wallpaper. Okay, good. Sahasra, yes.
Taskbar,
Yes.
wallpaper.
Okay, icons, taskbar, and wallpaper. Ryan, are you going for a party? I have you put on the goggles. Okay, Rafan. Yes. Read. Rafan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please read. Others, please mute your audios, children. Everybody mute your audios. I want to hear only Rafan's voice. Everybody mute. Okay, Rafan, please unmute and speak. First one, icons.
Icons,
Then,
key,
taskbar,
taskbar,
wallpaper.
wallpaper.
Very good. Icons, taskbar, and wallpaper. Ryan, stop putting filters and backgrounds and listen in the class. Then, Samanvaya.
Icons, taskbar, wallpapers.
Yes, icons, taskbar, and wallpaper. Now, I'm going to ask. Again, I'm calling Meenakshi. Malavika.
Icons, taskbar, wallpaper.
Very good. Do you have a sister named Meenakshi?
No, it's a brother.
You have a brother. What's his name?
Nilan.
Nilan. Is he in the same school?
Yes.
Yes. In which class?
UKGC.
UKGC. Okay. In 2A also there is one girl similar to, similar. She has similar features like you, your face. And her name is Meenakshi. All the time that name comes to me. Okay. Pardon me if I call by that name again. All right. Nainika, can you try?
Icons,
Taskbar, wallpaper.
wallpaper.
Very good.
Thank you,
Now,
ma'am.
yes. Now we'll see what icons, taskbar, and wallpaper are. And then if you want chance, you can read. Okay. All right. Shall we see? Shall we see the pictures on desktop?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, may I go to bathroom?
Yes, yes, yes. You can go and come first. What is this? What is this screen's name?
Ma'am, desktop.
Desktop. It's called the desktop, isn't it? Right? Yes, it's called the desktop. So which was the first main part of the desktop that we learned? Icons. Yes. Can you see small pictures here?
Yes.
They are known as icons. The small pictures that you see on the desktop, they are called icons. Yes. Can you identify what does this icon represent? Yes. Zoom. Yes, Zoom. In mobile phones also we use it, isn't it? For attending classes. Yes. So each program or each file or each application might have a particular icon. Did you understand? Yes, April?
Can Abel sir, you say?
April say what?
The three main parts of the desktop.
You want to read? Yes, you can read now and then we'll continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
First one, icons. Second one, taskbar. Third one, wallpaper.
Very good. But what did you say for the first one?
Icons.
Icons. K. Icons.
Ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Veda have a computer.
Veda has a computer. Has a computer. Okay. Now look at the board. I'm going to draw a red line. Just tell me if you can see it. Okay. Smriti, where is Smriti? Please unmute Smriti.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see this red line that I'm drawing? Yes. You can see, right? Okay. Now, Rose, can you see the red line that I drew? Yes. So the area just below this red line, that is called the taskbar. Can you see a long horizontal bar below that red line? Black and white color?
Yes.
That is called the taskbar. So whichever app or whichever application you open, you can see on the taskbar. See, I have opened Zoom, so I can see that. I have opened the Easy Board, so I can see that. Also, we can see the date and time here. Can you see date and time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. One more thing on the taskbar that you have to study. What do you call this button on the leftmost corner? Start button. No, it's not the start menu. It's the start button. What do you call it? Start button. See, this button on the taskbar, it is present on the which side? Left or right? Left side. Yes, left side of the taskbar. We can see the start button. And when you click on the start button, we can get a menu called start menu. See? This is the start menu. From here, you can search and find out whatever you want from the computer. Okay. I'll click it once more. I'll click the start button once more. You can see it. See? That's the start button. Okay. So our icons are over. Taskbar is also over. Now, what is the third point? Wallpaper. Yes, wallpaper. What is the color of the wallpaper of this desktop?
Blue.
Okay, blue. I can hear blue. Is it plain blue or does it have a design?
Have a design.
It has a design, isn't it? It has a design, yes. So you can set the wallpaper with the design. Okay, it can be with a design or it can be a plain color. Like you can have favorite colors, isn't it? Which is your favorite color, Aradhya? Red. You can set it as red color. Then Malavika, which is your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. You can set it as plain pink color. Then who is your favorite superhero? Daksha.
I like all the superheroes.
You don't?
I like all
You like all the superheroes. Okay. Which is your favorite, Arav? Arav, which is your favorite? Huh? I'm not asking about the color. I'm asking about the favorite superhero.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Okay, tell.
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Yes.
That's your favorite superhero.
Superhero.
Okay, Krishna Raj. Krishna Raj, tell me.
What did you say?
Krishna Raj. Okay. Okay, fine. So you can set the wall. Listen to me. You can set the wallpaper as different pictures, flowers if you want, or your maybe of your pet, or your photograph, or your painting that you have made in the computer. Anything, isn't it? Yes. So you can set the wallpaper as any picture, and also the wallpaper has another name that is called desktop background. What is it called? Desktop background. Desktop background. Yes, it is called the desktop background. Okay, and so which area is the desktop background here? This area, see? The area behind these icons, they are called desktop background. All these blue colored area that you can see, that's the desktop background.
Desktop background.
Is that clear? So there are three main parts for the desktop. One, is the set of icons, all the icons. See, this is an icon, this is an icon, this is an icon, this is an icon for a folder, then this is an icon for a document, MS Word, and so on. Okay, then we have the task bar. It is this one, this long bar that you can see, this one. The long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the screen. That's called the taskbar. Yes. Then you also have the desktop background, which is also called the wallpaper. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Very clear? Crystal clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I'm going to mark the attendance. After that, if you want, if you have time, we can read. Okay, those who did not get a chance can read. So I've marked most of your attendance. I'm just calling out the names whom I did not find. Okay, Anna Princeton. Anna Princeton. Absent. Andrea Anish. Absent. Anmia Regal. Ansel. Ansel Emlijo. Absent. Afia Maria. Absent. Okay. Ashil K. Saji.
Absent.
Devananda KS.
Absent.
Can everybody please mute? There is some disturbance in between. Can you mute? Yes. Thank you. Then Prithvi K. Manoj. Absent. Rose M. Francis. Present, no? Yes. Rest of you, I've marked your attendance. Don't worry. All right. So those who did not get a chance, please raise your hand so that I can call your name. Zara Roffin. Okay, start. Start reading the three main parts of the desktop. Icons. Taskbar.
Wallpaper.
Good. Dia KP.
Yes, ma'am. Icon. Taskbar. Wallpaper.
Okay. Anthony.
Yes, ma'am. Icon.
Taskbar.
Wallpaper.
Good. Devdarsh.
Icon. Taskbar. Wallpaper.
Okay. Dia. Dia. Yes, yes. Taskbar. Wallpaper. Yes. Mohammed Ayan.
Icon.
Taskbar.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper. It's not va, it's wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Yes, good. Then we have who is remaining? Daksha, you read already, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Daksha already read. Ishan Krishna, did you read? No, okay, you can read now. Icons. Icons, taskbar, wallpaper. Yes, Ashif.
Icons. Taskbar.
Yes.
Wallpaper.
Good. Now, Anton Sminto. Icons. Taskbar. Don't say taskbar, it's taskbar. Say it together. Taskbar. Taskbar.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper. Okay, fine. Abel Sijo.
Icon. Taskbar. Wallpaper.
Yes, good. Ashwajit, did you read? Yes, all right. Then who did not get a chance now? Ashif already read, no? Trying to trick me? Daksha Deepak, you did not read?
No.
Okay, then read.
Ancestral. Icon. taskbar,
Hmm.
wallpaper.
Okay, icons, taskbar, and wallpaper. Anybody else who did not get a chance? Sahasra.
Icons, taskbar, wallpaper.
All right. Now, if there is anybody who did not get a chance, you can read it together. Okay? Can everybody unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody unmute. Don't make noise. I'll say 1, 2, 3. Go, and then you can start reading all the 3 points. Okay? Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go. Okay. Enough. So, which are the 3 main parts of the desktop? Icons, taskbar, and also wallpaper. That's right. I hope the topic is clear. Yes. So, what do you call the small pictures that you can see on the desktop? Icons. Very good. Then, what do you call the long horizontal bar that you can see on the bottom of the desktop? Taskbar. Very good. What do you call that small button on the left side of the bar? Start button. Correct. Then, start button, dear. I'm asking about the start button. Then, the desktop background is also called wallpaper. That's all. Okay. Have you all started preparing for the exam? Yes. Only MCQs will be there for computer. Okay. For computer, only MCQ questions will be there. So read the question and the options carefully and then only attend. Don't do it in a hurry. Written exam is not there for computer. For computer, only MCQs will be there. So I hope everybody will get full marks, isn't it?
Yes. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yes, dear.
Washroom?
Sorry?
May I go to washroom?
Yes. I'm just ending the meeting, dear. Yes. Thank you. We'll meet next week then. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.